Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be doing a very nice and delicious plantain porridge. So here is our ingredients: plantain, crayfish, pepper, palm oil, some salt, some seasonings, ugu, fish, dry fish. So now I'm washing my fish, my fresh fish. I'm using some fresh fish, just these two fresh fish. Gonna wash it, remove the things that are not supposed to be there. I finished washing it. Now the fish, I'm going to parboil the fish. I just added onions, maggi and salt into the fish and cover it and let it boil. Then here is the plantain. I'm just removing the bag from the plantain. Then I'll peel out the bag there. When I'm done peeling out the bag, I'll show you guys how I slice it into small pieces. This is how you peel off the back of the plantain. This is unripe plantain, guys. This is really nutritious for your health. This is really healthy, you know, with all the iron, and it gives blood. This is really nice, guys. You need to try this amazing plantain porridge. Alright guys, so before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done that, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Like, share and comment. So I've washed the plantain. Now I'm slicing it into small pieces. Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, alright, so this is how I've finished slicing the plantain. This is how the plantain looks like. Then I am going to add it into my boiling water for it to boil, and when it's ready I will take it out of the water. Then the fish is boiling already, and this is the crayfish I'm going to be using for this. And I'm also going to be using the spices. With this, I've washed my dry fish. This is my dry fish. I'm not going to use all the dry fish you saw in the beginning. That dry fish is very expensive, so I just took a little to just add some, you know, this to the food. I finished washing it, and this is what the dry fish looks like. Then I've already pounded my pepper and my crayfish together. I pounded them together in this mortar. Then the fish is ready. I've removed the bones from the fish. The plantain is already boiling, and this is what it looks like. So I've drained it out from the water, and when you know that the plantain is ready is when you press it and it's soft like this, you know your plantain is ready. Then I'm adding oil to the pot just to steam it a little bit. You can do this straight if you want. For me, I just wanted to fry mine a bit. Then I've added onions. I'm going to fry the onions. When I'm done, I will add my pounded pepper and crayfish in the pot. Yeah, and I'll mix all those together. Mix all those together. Mix. I added the dry fish and mix those together, and I've added my my fish, the fish water, pepper, maggi, salt, crayfish, all the ingredients I needed for this sauce. Then now I'm adding the plantain, the boiled plantain. I'm going to add it inside. Now mix everything together. Now let it simmer for a while, maybe up to like 15-20 minutes, because the plantain is already cooked. Then here I've added the vegetable don't need to cook for so long. You can cook the vegetable for like 5, and this is what it looks like after the whole thing is ready. It looks so juicy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Love you guys. Bye.